Oh, hello, Hari Singh. How are you? And what's new?
Hello, Happy Singh. I am feeling a little blue. Help me, will you?
Of course, I'm always here for you.
Yesterday, I had an online meeting with Mr. Amit Kumar, who is 35 years old and married to Neha. Last month, they were blessed with a baby girl, and now they are a happy bunch. Amit wants to give his baby girl only the best, and for that, he is willing to pass all of life's tests. He is now looking for a plan that will help him fulfill his daughter's future dreams, like education and marriage. But before buying any financial product, he wants to be sure that the product meets his financial goals.
Oh, Hari Singh, I understand his concerns. He is right. The market is volatile. He doesn't feel confident to invest now and is wondering how his daughter's dreams will survive.
Yes, you are right. These are his concerns. I don't know how to show him the path which is right.
Don't worry, Hari Singh. We can make his future bright. Future Generali India Life Insurance Company Limited has a wide range of life insurance products, some of which provide guaranteed returns to its policyholders with lump sum payouts and provide financial protection to the life assured's family in case of any unfortunate event. And the good news is that there is a plan that covers all of these features that to Mr. Amit Kumar you can present. This plan provides dual assurance and financial protection in case of any unfortunate event. This is the best gift Amit Kumar can give to his baby girl.
Wow, this plan sounds perfect. Please tell me all about it.
Sure, I will give you all the plan details and updates. This plan is known as Future Generali Assured Wealth Plan. This is a savings life insurance plan which will give Mr. Amit Kumar guaranteed returns, lump sum payouts and financial protection. This plan comes with two plan options. Option 1 is a standard endowment plan. The policy ends at the completion of the policy term or upon death of the life assured, whichever is earlier. In either case, the life assured or the nominee gets all the benefits. In option 2, policy continues even after death of the life assured till end of original policy term to ensure the financial objective of this plan is met. No further premiums need to be paid in case of death of life assured. This plan is perfect for Amit Kumar. It will help him fulfill his daughter's dreams even if he is not around. Let me explain to you with an example. If Mr. Amit Kumar, who is 35 years old, chooses this plan with option 2 for the policy term of 15 years, premium payment term of 10 years and a sum assured of rupees 3 lakhs, he will pay rupees 36,456 excluding applicable taxes annually for 10 years at the start of each year. During the policy term of entire 15 years, guaranteed additions would be added to the policy at the end of each policy year. And after the end of policy term, he would receive a lump sum of rupees 6,15,000, that too guaranteed.
That's great, Happy Singh. But is this payout not taxable?
Oh, no. You will be happy to know that this payout is guaranteed and may be eligible for tax benefits as per prevailing tax rules notified by the Government of India. Also, there is no impact of reduction of interest rate. So in that sense, he is free from any worry. Through Future Generali's Assured Wealth Plan, his returns will be secure, and that is for sure.
Wow, this sounds like an ideal plan for him and many others. I would like to know more. Will you please elaborate further?
Yes, sir. I will surely explain. You can easily remember the key features of this plan with this sentence: get life cover with dual assurance. Life cover stands for life insurance cover, as this plan provides lump sum as death benefit in case of any unfortunate event. This amount can be used to maintain Mr. Amit Kumar's family's lifestyle or to fulfill his financial dreams and aspirations without worrying about the future. Dual assurance. First assurance is through guaranteed additions. The customer gets to enjoy the added benefit of guaranteed additions, which get accumulated as a percentage of the sum assured at a simple rate for each completed year, subject to payment of all due premiums. Second assurance is through guaranteed lump sum maturity. Sum assured, which can be utilized to fulfill financial goals like child's education, marriage, maintain lifestyle, or can be used as a retirement fund. Then comes the other benefit, loan. If the customer is in need of money, this policy will provide him a loan. So with this policy, he will not face his difficult times alone. Tax. If customer pays all his premiums, he may be eligible for tax benefit under Section 80C and under Section 1010D. Limited premium. The policyholder needs not to pay for the entire policy term. He gets to choose from the available premium payment term options and then enjoy the benefits for the rest of the policy term. No further payment of premium. This benefit under option 2 means that in case of unfortunate death of the life insured during the policy term, a lump sum amount equal to death sum assured is paid to the family. And the policy continues with other benefits with no future payment of premiums till maturity.
Wow, what a perfect plan, Happy Singh. Future Generali Assured Wealth Plan is definitely something that Amit Kumar will find interesting. While you have some time to spare, will you also explain the death benefit to me so that I am aware?
For sure, Vari Singh. Suppose Amit Kumar passes away after paying premium of second policy year. Then his nominee would receive death sum assured of rupees 3,64,560 as he had opted for option 2. No further premiums are required to be paid by the nominee. The policy continues to accrue guaranteed additions even after death of the life assured till the end of the policy term, and a lump sum equal to maturity sum assured plus accrued guaranteed additions, that is rupees 6,15,000, will be paid to the nominee at the end of 15th policy year.
Okay, I understand the policy now. Happy Singh, thank you for your help. Now I am sure that I will convince Amit Kumar to buy this policy, as this is the best gift he can give to his daughter after all.
It's my pleasure, Vari Singh. Wish you all the best for your call. I know that the outcome will be best for all.
Thank you again, Happy Singh. I am sure I will make you proud.